do-it-yourself analog clock. Here are the materials you will need. Locate the hour hand and insert it into the white knob. Press hard. Locate the minute hand and insert it into the white knob. Press hard. Locate the seconds hand and insert it into the white knob. Double check to ensure everything is in place. Carefully slide the battery into the back of the clock. Be careful, the clock hands will start moving when you put the battery in. Finished! You now have a working analog clock.